What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you how I use an indicator-based strategy to make profits. Now, you guys know how much I love using indicators because I believe that they're a tool that should be used to help you to maximize, your profits, to help you to maximize your decision making in precision and also in effectiveness and speed. That's what I really believe. And so I'll be trading live, and while I'm trading live, I'll be showing you how I use these indicators in pairs with each other and how I'm able to get good signals, fix better entry points and things like this. Let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so for today, as you can see, I've already chosen the currency pairs that we'll be using. These ones have the best payout percentages and also optimal movements, for trading. And I didn't really conduct any market analysis for these ones because there was a recent news event, but I think that will help us as well in our trading. And the indicators that I've decided to use for today are our Donchian channels with a period of 20 and 10, and our fractal indicator with a period of 5, and also the momentum oscillator. We'll also keep an eye on the volumes. That will help us as well. And it's kind of easier now because the market is not very volatile, right now. Yeah, that's it for the indicators. And we're going to start with a balance of $30, and each of our trades will be on the 1 minute time frame. I love to trade in the 1 minute time frame. That's it for the setup. Let's, check which trade we can start with.
If you want to trade like a pro, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. Daily trading signals, winning strategies that actually work, live trading and profit breakdowns. Don't miss out on game-changing content that can make you serious money. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a trade.
Okay guys, so this is our first trade, and we took a short here, and it's actually a very simple entry point. So as you can see, there is no directional momentum, there's no trend, it's kind of ranging, and there was a touch of the two moving lines on the channel indicators, which is a minor structural update. And so it's better if we open a trade here for a short, because we are predicting it will go down after touching the upper bounds of this channel indicator. Let's see how this one goes. You guys know the first trade we take on this channel usually ends in a profit. So I think that's what will happen for this one as well. Let's start this trading session good. Awesome guys, so our first trade is in a profit, which is nice. It was an easy profit actually. No, it was not a difficult trade to take. We just reacted to the channels. Let's look for our next entry point and see if we can get another trade in. Okay guys, so here we opened a long trade. There's a small room for error here actually. If the momentum drops, we will slightly lower and I'll open an additional trade. So as you can see, the volumes here, they reached their maximum value on the momentum oscillator. And we also saw an update on and the touch of the two lower moving lines of the channel indicators over there. And if we see as well, the fractal has updated, giving us a new structural update. And so we opened a long trade there, anticipating the price to go up after all these indications. In this case, as you can see, I was able to use all the indicators together to give us a stronger signal. Perfect, guys. So yeah, another profit, another trade in profit. That's amazing. Let's switch our balance and okay, let's take the next trade, guys.
Imagine you can make money even while you were sleeping. I know it sounds crazy, but it's real. With an AI trading bot that analyzes the market 24/7, executes trades with insane accuracy, all you have to do is sit back, relax, and watch your balance grow. No stress, no emotions, just profits. Tap the link below to get access to the AI bot now and start making money on autopilot.
Okay, guys, we just took our third trade. Now for this one, I opened a short. And yes, even at this level, we can still expect some price action. If the momentum can rise slightly, I will open an additional trade. I'm ready for that. I've already adjusted my balance. So let's highlight the key areas of this trade. So over here, there is a recent structural level for price action. We can see over time, prices come to that level. And we can also see that the price touched the upper moving lines of, the channel indicator, which is already signaling that there's a high chance it might go down. That's why we opened a short trade. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Wow, we're on the streak today. This is amazing. This is an amazing training session. Okay. Let's look for our next entry point, guys. Okay, guys, so we just took our fourth trade. This one is a long trade, and I'm just going to adjust the balance. If the downward momentum continues, I will look for an additional entry. Yeah. Okay, so let's wait for this trade to end. I mean, the principle of this trade is very similar to the other trades that I took. You can see that it's the price is touching the lower bounds of the channel, and the volume is also reducing. If you check the volume indicators, let's just be ready in case the momentum goes down. So it looks like we might lose this one, but I'm ready to open an additional optimal entry level so that we'll still make money from this trade. Okay, guys, so the first trade is in a loss, unfortunately, but there is still potential for upward movement. I'm just waiting to get the best entry level. Okay, guys, so I just entered in. I really believe there is potential for an upward movement from here. So I have entered with another trade. So even over here, as we can see, there's not been any strong dynamics for a while. Maybe that's why the first one didn't go in our direction. Let's wait and see, guys. Couple of seconds left, guys. Yeah. Yes, baby. Okay, so the next one is in a profit, guys. We made back our loss and we're back in a profit. Perfect. Yeah. I upped the balance and we'll pick one more trade and we can call today. We can wrap today up. Okay, guys, so here I opened a short trade. As we can see earlier, there was a formation of, a local structure high. You can see that over there. And, the price movement is also kind of flat here. There is no direct direction. Let me highlight that. And, there are several price reaction levels. We can see this zigzag pattern. And right now, the momentum is heading towards the structural low. So it's a tense movement here. I mean, let's see how this ends. This is a tough one, guys. This is a really tough one. Come on. Yeah. Bruv, that was literally the last second. The breakout happened literally at the last second. It was a good timing, and that's why we're able to end in a profit. Just like I mentioned, the price was heading towards that structural low, and that's why, it went in that direction. This was a very good day. Let's fix our profits. Let's just cash out. Okay. So guys, I won't be able to withdraw today. Like I won't be able to show you my withdrawal because I still have a previous trade that's been processed. But that's basically it for today's trading session. I mean, you guys know Pocket Option doesn't have an issue with withdrawal, so don't be afraid of that. Just that I recently withdrew and that's why I couldn't withdraw. And today's profits totally is $326. That is nice. And that is it for trading with the Donkin channel in pair with the volumes, the fractal. You know, this is a simple strategy as well. I don't use it that often, but it does have a high win rate. And I think you can definitely look into it more. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I'd love to really help you in your trading journey. I remember when I was starting out trading and I had to check so many videos and so many channels, and they're always saying different things. And it was hard for me to kind of get it down. So I know how much it helps to have somebody kind of give you direction after you watch videos like this. So feel free to hit me up, on Telegram. I'll leave my link below. I just really want to help you guys out to, start something because there's so much potential in trading and, you can do it really. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. We'll keep in touch. Bye.